Good afternoon. I got about two different kind of flowers in here again, and they are really looking beautiful. And the sedum flowers is really looking gorgeous and beautiful as well. And they're part of hardy plants anyway that I had here. And I love that kind of sedum flowers because I think it's very pretty to watch them. And yeah, and then I got the asteria flowers in here as well. It's only one stem of asteria flowers in here as well, but they're really looking beautiful petals. And I got some kind of particular bees. It's a bees. I think it's eating the it's eating some kind of juice from the flowers. Really gorgeous. Look at that. Yeah, it's enjoying it. Yeah, I think they're beautiful color to it. While I'm watching to it. So there are two different kind of flowers in here at the backyard of my garden that I've been showing you guys, because I really gotta take some very quick short video on this because weather is getting cooler here now, and this kind of flowers is not gonna stay very much longer anyway. They're gonna be gone maybe another month or a few weeks later on. Gonna be gone. That kind of bees here is really gorgeous. Look at it. It's pretty interesting by watching this. I think is the mother of bees, things like that. But it's really gorgeous. Look. It's so nice, very nice, very nice by watching them. This kind of plants, they are in the part of hardy plants as well, that I don't have to pay any attention by making effort of taking good care of them, as long as I'm gonna give them some water to it during the heavy summertime. But the summertime in here is not really that hot. I mean, sometimes they had a very good weather in here, but after a few days later it's gonna be rain and be kind of windy, things like that, but that's okay. I'm pretty happy about watching this kind of plants, flowers that I had in here into my backyard garden. Anyway, not staying pretty much longer in here. Got to go now, guys. And thank you very much for watching. And see you for my next round again. Thank you, and bye for now. Bye.